Okay, so I have the plants back outside, and whew, it's nice. I just wanted to show you guys my strawberries. Okay, so we have one that has turned completely red, and let's see, I have another one that's, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's beginning to turn red. And I have some babies right here, and there's a lot of strawberries growing. Okay, and I wanted to show you guys, since the weather has been bad and we don't have bees, this is how I pollinate my strawberries. So I take, you can take a paintbrush or you can take your makeup brush, and I just gently, on the flowers that look like this, I just gently, like, I'll just brush in there. So I'm acting like a bee right now. So I just brush it, and I'll just brush. So that's all you're doing. You just want to do that several times a week, and just brush your flowers. Just brush and brush and brush. And you want to try to do each one, and they'll start off like that after they've been pollinated, and then they'll start growing like this one and these. There's a lot of these, and you want to keep these moist. You want to keep the soil moist. Trying to see if you guys can see that. And I try not to get water on the leaves because I don't want them to turn soggy. Some of these are soggy, and I'm not an expert at this. I'm just sharing some things that I do. Okay, there's some more strawberries, and that's the baby. And this is how I'm able to grow my strawberries, because I do not get sun from this angle the way that my patio faces, and so I use a plant grow light, and you can get this at Walmart. It's pretty dirty because it's been outside, so you can get this from Walmart, and you can get the plant light bulb, and I chose the purple plant light bulb. And so sorry, that's kind of bright, but yeah, and that's how I do my strawberries, and they do pretty good in the cold. So you just don't want the temperature to get below freezing. But that's strawberries so far.